Hey guys, how's it going? Today we've got another cool horn to look at. So this is an ex-MBTA horn. This is off of the locomotive 1034. So with this horn, it is a transition era K5LA. What I mean by transition era is it has 80s bells, but it has narrow font back caps. And now actually this one has a couple wide font back caps, the number 1 and the number 3. 3A. It has wide font back caps. So 80s bells, narrow font, and a couple wide font back caps. So that means like 1989, 1990. And like I said, this was off of 1034. With MBTA, you've got your cool MBTA style cones. So anyway, that is this horn. It's just like my other MBTA horns. I will say that this horn was acquired legally and purchased legally. I know with MBTA there seems to be some stuff that comes up every so often about stolen property and stolen horns, and these were bought legally, and I know that they were taken off of the locomotives legally also. So anyway, I just wanted to clear that up. But anyway, y'all enjoy this. This is the MBTA K5LA.